a little tutorial on how to use PowerPoint for treatment planning. So we just scroll down here. Now we'll look at this tooth, this patient of Way's. Now we can see that the photo is really blurry, but she has a fairly level smile. That's really important because the retracted pictures are sometimes tilted. So here's one here, so I've downloaded it already. And I'm just going to open Picasa and find Way's picture. There we go. Okay, now we want to do a quick level. I use Picasa because it's really quick and it's cheap. Okay, now we want to crop out everything we don't need to see. This is the software I use for all the pictures I post, unless I want to get fancy. Okay, now we'll save that. Now that one's on my desktop, so I'll go and close that. Okay, import a picture. Now it is easier if you have the picture already straight. PowerPoint is very bad at straightening pictures. Now we want to draw a line. So it comes under the word shape, lines, and we want this one here. Now if you don't want it to be filled, you go up here to no fill, and you can change your colour to black, and down here you can go to weight. Now if you're treatment planning, you can now get that tooth and move it all about. Okay, or we can duplicate it. Look at the width. The width is 3.7, so just go 3.7 that way. Okay, you have to be careful of that, which is where you grab the picture instead of the outline. There we go. Now I've duplicated this tooth. Now say we want to look at how it looks if your teeth are longer. Boom. Okay. You can do the same for all the other teeth. Now, if you don't know how to draw teeth, that's going to take practice. So we can do some lateral incisor. We'll start with this one. It's kind of a bit short, stumpy. So I'll just pretend it's a bit longer. So there's a lateral, duplicate. It's 2.6. Bit squarish there, but you get the idea. So it looks like these laterals are a bit fat, so we can just shrink them down. 2.4. You can also pay thousands of dollars for software that does this. And there you have it, there's a template. I think that these canines are a little bit off-centered because the photo is not straight. Okay, so you need to look carefully to make sure your photos are level and that they've been taken straight from the front. Now when you're treatment planning, you can then just lengthen a tooth or make it skinnier. Or you can also do another line, say in grey. Go and do one now. So we'll do the same thing, outlining where the tooth currently is compared to where you want it to be.